Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure online bill pay with Wells Fargo and Citi. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure online bill pay with Wells Fargo, start by logging into your Wells Fargo online banking account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pay Bills section. If you haven't enrolled in bill pay yet, you'll see an option to enroll. Click on the enrollment option to proceed. Follow the prompts to set up your bill pay profile. After enrolling, you'll need to add your payees. To do this, click on Add a Payee. Enter the required information for each payee, such as the name and account number. Save the payee information once you've entered it correctly. Next, decide on the amount you wish to pay and the frequency of payments. You can choose one-time payments or set up recurring payments. Select the payment date and confirm the details. Review all information to ensure accuracy before submitting. For Citi customers, begin by logging into your Citi online banking account. Once logged in, look for the Payments or Bill Pay option in the menu. Click on it to access the bill payment features. If you haven't used bill pay before, you may need to enroll. Follow the instructions to complete the enrollment process. After enrollment, add your payees by selecting Add a Payee. Fill in the required information for each payee, including the biller's details. After entering the information, save the payee. Enter the payment amount and select the payment frequency. Choose whether you want to make a one-time payment or set it up as recurring. Select the date you want the payment to be processed. Finally, review the payment details and confirm your transaction. Keep track of your payments through the Account Management section. Regularly update your payee information as needed to avoid payment issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.